Stacy Chaffin with Real Broker. Let's talk about selling your home during the winter months. Embracing the chillier months as an advantageous time to sell your home might seem counterintuitive, but don't underestimate the unique opportunities that come with showcasing your property during the winter months. While many homeowners may shy away from selling this time of year, savvy sellers know that with less competition and the right strategy, you can still get top dollar for your property and reap the benefits of seasonal change. Now, it's true that from November to January, there's a 66% decrease in the normal sales activity. This is according to the National Association of Realtors. But in Utah, a winter home sale has its advantages. Like fewer for sale signs from neighbors means the opportunity to have your buyers' undivided attention, and buyers tend to be more serious during this time of year. All you need are a few simple tricks like adding winter hardy plants such as evergreens to spruce up your curb appeal, and make sure all those walkways are cleared so that there's no safety hazards. Then create a warm and cozy interior space. Use soft textures, fabrics like throw pillows and blankets, and have the fireplace on during showings, or have a soft scented candle burning to set the atmosphere. Your thermostat should also be set between 70 and 74 degrees to keep it warm and cozy. That's key. Lastly, adjust the price for the winter market, but be careful to not get caught up in the winter, and don't undervalue your property because buyers are more motivated to buy in the winter. They will give you a fair price for your home compared to other times of the year. Trust me. And follow up with a realtor and a home improvement specialist like me to provide the proper value for your home any time of the year. Utilize these tips to make your home stand out in the winter. And if you want to deep dive further into how to properly market your property for success during this time, I'm always happy to help. I'm Stacy Chaffin with Easy Offers Utah at Real Broker. Stay warm out there.